him up in the truck, got it tucked, he gave it up. Pocket stuck all night.